Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This is Open Heaven's Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Tuesday, will be the 29th day of October 2024. Our topic today now, warrior or warrior. Our Bible reading today, it comes from the book of Matthew chapter 6, verse 25 to 34. Matthew 6, 25 to 34. We go read. So I tell una, make una not worry about una life. Wetin una go chop or drink, and wetin una go wear for body. Life no big pass food. Abi body no big pass cloth. Make una look the birds wey dey fly for sky. Dem no dey plant or put anything wey dem gather inside store, but una papa for heaven dey feed dem. Una no better pass dem? Who among una wey dey worry go fit add 1 hour join im life? Why una dey worry about cloth wey una go wear? Make una think of how flower dey grow for the field. Dem no dey work or make cloth wey dem dey wear. So I tell una true word, even Solomon upon all the money he get, no wear cloth wey fine reach dis ones wey dis flower dem dey wear. If God fit make grass fine like dis, grass wey dem go see today and tomorrow dem don throw am for fire, e no go dress una pass dem? Una faith small well well o. So make una no worry come dey say, wetin we go chop, drink or wear? Na dis kind things people wey no know God dey pursue, and una papa for heaven know say una need dem. But make una first do the good things wey God want, and every other thing go be una own. So make una no worry about tomorrow, because tomorrow get im own wahala. Today trouble sef e don do. Our memory verse for today, it dey come from Matthew chapter 6, verse 34. Matthew chapter 6, verse 34. We go read am together, we go recite am. So make una no worry about tomorrow, because tomorrow get im own wahala. Today trouble don do. Make we enter the main message for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you never subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get more of our videos. For inside this life, you get people wey they call warriors, and you get people wey be prayer warriors. You get to choose which one are you be. Matthew chapter 6 verse 27 tell us say, those wey dey worry no go fit add 1 cubit of height join their self. You no get any better thing when you dey gain, when you dey worry. Absolutely nothing. However, when you be prayer warrior, as issues dey come up, you go cut them down for the place of prayer, because you be champion, and that means you be more than conqueror. Romans chapter 8 verse 37. Some people dey too anxious about tomorrow. Before they get into university, they go worry say they fit not get their admission. After they don't graduate, they go start the worry say, hey, I fit not get job. After they don't get the job, they go the worry say, hey, I fit lose the job. If they don't lose the job, they go worry say, hey, they fit not promote me. When they don't promote them, they go worry say, hey, person fit not take this position for me. They go worry say nobody go marry them. When person finally show up to marry them, they go dey worry say, oh, maybe this person not be the right person. When they don't finally marry the person, they go dey worry whether they go fit even born children, whether they don't take the right decision, and whether they go fit ever get children. They go just dey worry about the future. Honestly, all the worry when they worry, e no dey solve anything. When you read Philippians chapter 4, from verse 6 go reach verse 7, you go see say, what are you supposed to do instead of worry? Now to dey thank God. Philippians chapter 4, let us say, make we dey thank God for everything by prayer and by supplication. Make una not let anything worry una for mind. Instead, for every condition wey una dey face, make una ask God through prayer for everything wey una need, and make una always dey thank am as una dey pray. Then God peace wey pass wetin human being fit understand go guide una heart and mind inside Christ. No thank God for only things wey be say e don do. No thank God only when things dey go the way you like, but thank God for everything by prayer and supplication, and then you go let your request dey known to God. Not just sit down there dey worry. Go to God in prayer, thank am for the things wey don do for you. Then you go make your request known to am. Peace go replace every form of worry for your heart. So rather than to dey worry, pray to God and He go meet you at the point of your need. If you don accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, and you don surrender your life give am, then stop to dey worry. Jesus don already give you peace wey pass all understanding. John chapter 14 verse 27 show us this one. Make una mind rest, because na my peace I give una. My peace different from the one wey the world dey give. Make una no fear or allow anything worry una mind. Our key point for today be say, make you become prayer warrior instead of worrier. Now here we take on to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say the topic we will consider today now, warrior or warrior. And na from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, where we say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, writes that there will take the message. And on top Favors blog, you take listen to the message today. We want to thank all our viewers and all our subscribers. I beg, if you're the viewers and you never subscribe, do the needful, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we drop videos, you could be one of the first persons to know say better don't land on top Favors blog. Until we come your way again with another delicious video, make you choose to become warrior instead of warrior.